So this is the beginning of our John Deere 1500 front axle reman process. Core comes back in. We take it apart. We diagnose what's wrong with it when we take it apart. And almost exclusively every time, these are just full of metal. And so we take them completely out or take them completely down, strip everything out of them, and just wash and wash and wash and wash. It takes a lot to get the metal out of them. But we clean everything out, clean all the ports out. While we've ordered the parts, we diagnose what's wrong. A lot of times your ring and pinion's bad. A lot of times gear seizes up in this, or a shaft seizes up in this housing. We do have a little bit of a proprietary way to get those out. But mainly, a lot of times it's the ring and pinions created metal and gone bad. Lately, Deere's been out of stock on the ring and pinions. But anyhow, that's what we do to it. We strip it down completely. We have a overhaul set, just like an engine. We have an overhaul kit. It includes all the bearings, all the seals, shims, specs, everything that you need, or we need to put it back together with. So we clean it up, put it all back together, set it to factory specs, and it's put back on the shelf, ready to ship. It's been a hot item all summer, or since the summer, I should say.